today I would like to recommend you to myphp.com in English version. Mindphp is a website that updates various IT news, and Mindphp can be solved a variety of programming problems. The English version of the website will resemble this. Now let's take a look at the actual website. Okay, when you first visit the website, you will notice many features of tools. The first one will be online tutorial. There will be many lessons for you to choose from. If you are interested in JavaScript tutorial, and then you click the lesson 1 JavaScript introduction. It will show the information about JavaScript introduction. After online tutorials will be a part of article here. It will be available in languages such as English language, Chinese language, and Korean language. If you are interested in English language, then you click here. It will show all about English language. For example, this one, the best way to learn English part, 7 tips for learning English. This article will discuss techniques in English practice. Now let's move to the next one. Menu. You can see menu show up here, and then download. You can download the article that you are interested in. For example, Joomla component music card. It will show the component of music card. The first one will be plugin system and C multi-shop for managing multi-store. It can be downloaded right here. Now we will talk about meaning phrase. This section will state that the program what actually is it and what is it about. For example, Joomla plugins, what is it? It will tell you what plugin Joomla is. Okay, the last one is online tool. You can see various online program here. I will go for Thailand road tracking. It is a program that monitors Thailand transportation status. Here is your username. You fill out the name here, and here is the track. In this section, you have to enter the track number. Don't forget to click I'm not a robot here, and then you click here. When you click, it will show your current transport status here. Okay. This is a basic introduction to the myphp.com website. You can go to learn more. Thank you for your attention.